Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to find the clipboard on Android. If you want to find clipboard on your Android, so let's see how can you do this. First you have to open your keyboard in any place. So I'm going to enter text. Here you just have to look for any area which you want have access to your keyboard. As you can see, the keyboard has been opened. Here you just have to look for the gear option or setting option. Here you can see the setting option. Just select it and then you will get the setting of your keyboard. So now you just have to find for clipboard. Here's the clipboard option, just tap on it and here you can see the clipboard has been enabled. If you want to do some more settings, you just tap on clipboard in this area and you will get the clipboard. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.